Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is one of my baby must-have items. It is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment for babies, the advanced therapy, and it is just so great for my little one who has dry skin, and a lot of times his little cheeks get chapped or he has eczema in certain places. With a little bit of this, it all goes away. As you can see, we've already gone through half a tub of Aquaphor. That's because we use it on a regular basis. The consistency is almost like a thick jelly. Whenever our little ones' cheeks are chapped from a reaction to some acidic food or maybe the cold or just dry skin, we put this on and it just works wonders. It's also great for adults. It moisturizes the skin really well. So if you're looking for a way to hydrate your little one's skin, definitely check out Aquaphor Healing Ointment for Baby. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.